Merry Christmas!
Hello.
Merry Christmas!
Wow, what?
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, Noah!
Hello.
Hi, Merry Christmas!
Hi.
Merry Christmas, Noah! Merry Christmas! You hungry?
What?
Merry Christmas! Did you sleep good last night?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas! We're gonna go ahead and get dressed, and then we're gonna go and look at your Christmas presents. Yeah, see what Santa brought you.
What?
Wanna go see what Santa brought you?
Present?
Yeah, presents. Let's go take a bath, and then we'll go get your presents.
Yeah.
Say Merry Christmas, everybody! Have a Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Have a fun time.
Please like and subscribe!
Get in the sky. Get the thumbs up. What is the thumbs up? Get to the sky.
Say bye and Merry Christmas!
Bye, my YouTubers. Happy holiday.
Go see your gift? Come on, let's go see your gift in our Christmas tree. What's your gift? What's that, a bike? Get on it. That's your bike, huh? It's Christmas. Put your feet on there. Push it. Push. 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 Push it. Push it hard. Here. You push your bike like this. See? Push it hard. There. See? Push it. Let me take the sticker out. Hold on, let me take the sticker. Is that what it's doing?
Are you coming to the window?
The sticker? Okay, let's take that off for a second. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay. Get there. Push it. Push the bike. Push it. Push it. Push your foot like this. Lick it. Move your foot like this. And push your foot like that. This way. There you go. Push. Push it. There you go. Whee! And your other foot goes right here.
What?
And your other foot goes up on there. See? Put your foot there. Ready? Ready? Set. Put this one. Okay. Get on there. Get back. Put your feet on there. You're not gonna fall. Come on, put your foot in. Now push it. Push it with this foot. This foot. Put that foot. Yay, you got a bike, huh? Okay, you want to open your stocking? Okay, let's go get your stocking here. You got a stocking with some stuff in there.
Yeah, I got toys either.
Put your stocking right here.
What?
Sit down. Sit down right there. Open up your stocking. Whoop! Whoop! What is that?
Wow, what's that in there?
Open your stocking. No, open your stocking. Here, open this. What is that?
Oh my! Now get it out.
Pull it out. What is it? Pull it out. Here, pull. Pull. Grab it up on the top. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is that?
Candy.
Oh, you got something else in here.
What?
What else did you get? What is that? Is that a flashlight? Turn it on. Let me see. Turn on your flashlight. Don't put it in your face. Wow. Don't put it in the camera either. Look that way. There you go. What's in that right there?
What?
No, right there.
What?
What's in that little house?
What?
What's in there? Let me see.
What?
What is that?
That's it.
A little candy house. Cool.
Candy. That's
See, it's got a key. You gotta open up with the key.
yeah.
Go ahead and open it up.
Yeah. Go ahead, open this up. Okay.
Open it up.
Okay.
Open it up. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Here, let me help you. Did you get it? Don't use your teeth. You'll break your teeth. Let me see.
Let's get it out.
Here, let me see.
Cool.
Take it off. Okay, you got your key. Where's your little key? Okay, put your key like this. You gotta open it with the key. See, grab the key.
What?
See the little key?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Super yogurt.
I get the key. See, you
Super
guys.
yogurt.
Open the key. Put the key in the lock. Nope, other way.
What?
Goes like this. Look, see? This side.
This side?
Hold on, let me take it out. Now we got it open. See, now watch. Let me see.
No.
Let me see.
Mine.
Look. We'll put it in the hole. You gotta turn it. Turn it. There you go. You got it. Whee! You got it. Now take the key off. Take the lock off. The lock off. Open it up. What is that?
Candy. That's a free candy. That's a free candy.
Yeah, there's more candy in there. What's in the bottom of this? Is there anything in there? Or no?
Yeah. I will open this up.
Is there anything in there or no?
Yeah.
I don't think there's anything in there, is there? No.
Yeah. I will want this.
Let's see. Let go. Nope, I don't think that comes out.
Yes.
I think it's just a box.
Yeah, I will take this.
Take the box out. There you go. See, now you got a little, you don't need the box because that's trash. See? You got a little thing, a little lock box, and with the key.
I need to get to the candy and put up.
Merry Christmas! Hey, Merry Christmas! Say Merry Christmas, everybody!
Merry Christmas! Bye!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Like and subscribe!
Like and subscribe!
Thumbs up!
I can't open this.
Hey,
What?
thumbs up!
Thumbs up!
Subscribe right here! Say subscribe right there!
Subscribe!
Bye, everybody!
Bye, everybody!
Here, you got another gift from Hi-Fi. Open it up! Open it! Rip the paper! Not that! Right here! Rip it! Uh-oh, what is that? What is it?
Cards. Mom.
Open it. Rip it.
Rip it.
Rip it open. Here.
What?
Rip it open. Open this bag. Okay, open the bag. Rip it. Rip it open. Rip it open. He's like, damn, when am I gonna get to it? It's 3 bags. Okay, rip it open.
Yeah.
Hold that right there. There. Rip it. What is that?
Minions.
Rip it. Hold it. Ready?
I'm ready.
Ready to pull it. What is it?
Oh, wow. What's that?
What is that?
That's a bubble. Oh, wow. What's that?
Wow, bubbles?
Oh,
Turn it around. What did you get? What is it? Show me. That's a towel. Look, you got a minion towel. Say, thank you, high five. Hey, Noah, say, thank you.
Wow.
It's a pillow. It's a pillow. It says bello. I said pillow. Show me pillow. You like your pillow?
Yeah.
He likes the pillow. Your pillow?
Yeah.
You like a pillow?
Play a minion.
Turn around. Let me see the towel. Turn around. Turn around. Why are you not showing me? Show me. Show me what the towel look like. It's a minion towel.
Yeah.
Minion towel. Now put your pillow right there.
What?
Where's your... Put your pillow right there.
Prepared for your ice and stick as well.
Pillow. See, you got your pillow, your towel. Now you need a blanket. Lay down. Aww. Like it? Now your bubbles. Let me see that. Give me that, your bubbles. Let me see. You got a slinky, a minion slinky, a yo-yo, and bubbles.
The bubble, you see?
Yeah, I see the bubbles. You see the bubbles?
Yeah, I see bubbles.
Look, minions taking over. Minion everywhere. There's minions everywhere. We know what you're gonna be for Halloween, Noah.
Halloween.
You're gonna be a minion for Halloween?
It's the big minions.
Let me see your pillow. Bring it here. Let me see your pillow. Turn.
Huh?
Your pillow.
You paid it.
That's cute.
So cute.
It's so cute. Do you like it? Do you like it? Say thank you, high five.
Thank you, Evan. Happy Halloween.
It's not Halloween yet. That's your birthday present.
What's your person?
Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. I'll open it. Watch. I'll blow the bubbles. Ready? Get ready to catch them. I'm gonna blow them. Hold on. Let me get them out. Wait. Watch. Ready? Move. I'll blow. Move. I'll blow them. Move. Move. I don't want to get over your face. Move. Oh, wait. Catch them.
Bubble butt. Bubble buddy.
What? Bubbles! Bubbles! Bye!
Bye. See you next time.
Subscribe!
Bye.
the thumbs up button right here.
It's shut up.
Subscribe. See you next time.
Subscribe. Next time.